Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your home page to another page in your site. You're going to go to apps and open your Cheetah website builder. Then you would already have a website created. In this case, I've got this as an example. You can see right here on the left hand side, I've got a blue icon with a little house. That means this specific page is the home page. If I decide to change the home page and I want shop to be the home page, all you need to do is click on the three little dots, click on settings. It's going to open up the page settings of the site. You can see general settings. Here on the right hand side where it says home page, you're just going to click on the drop down and make yes and click save. It's going to go back to all the pages right now, and you're going to see that this little icon moved from that page to this one. So when somebody is trying to access your website, they will directly be taken to this page. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in another. Bye.